Hi there, and welcome back to my channel. This is Crafty with Jackie. You get crafty with a girl named Jackie. And today I'm going to be doing another morning routine as a creative. Here I am, of course. I start off with drawing my coffee mugs. I love using this pen. It's the brush pen in the Micron set of 12. I then just continue to draw and look at my coffee mug as I drink it. It doesn't have to be perfect. I think it's just so important to make bad art. I cannot stress it enough as a creative. I feel like we hurt ourselves by thinking that art has to look exactly as the form. And especially, again, as I'm diving into abstract art, it's so important to just, learn the master of illustration, taking something realistic and turning it into something of your own. It plays such an important and pivotal role, I feel like, in the creation to anything. If it's just from sketching to doing something as a deliverable to whatever it is you're making that'll be shown. And I guess this is my way of kind of showcasing my creative outlet and just giving you an inside look at how my brain works, how I see things, and how I have been really loving using ink as a media exploration. And you can just kind of watch me doodle along. Here I am adding in some fun abstract faces. And you can just what I really love about doing this kind of piece in the morning is I don't put any pressure. I show up to a blank page and just let whatever happens happen. It's okay if it doesn't look great. I also really am enjoying overlaying things. I think I'll soon be doing some more of this exploration in digital art drawings. And playing around with opacity and how it looks there as I move forward in my drawing series. I've been drawing every day. Thank you to the inspiration from my aunt. Hey girl, if you're listening. If it wasn't for her kind of randomly texting me like, hey, I saw this drawing challenge, you want to do it with me? I probably wouldn't have even been anywhere near to where I am in my progress, let alone starting this channel. So I'm just so grateful for the extra push and just acknowledgement of just taking time to create. And it's so much fun to share that creative endeavor with you all. So I hope you guys have an amazing rest of your day. I am looking forward to doing something today that sparks creativity. So with that, I usually like to go somewhere new, get a new perspective, read something different. I think it's so important that as an artist, getting experience completely can help transform your art moving forward. And I think some of the best artists know that without new perspective, you can't make new work. So on that, I hope you guys are having a great day and have a great weekend. All right, see you next time. Bye.